Hello students, in the last class we have studied about habitats, body covering and feeding habits of animals. So today we are going to discuss about breathing organs in animals. What is breathing? As you all know, breathing is an important process for all the living things. During breathing, an exchange of gases takes place, that is, oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is exhaled. I am repeating this, oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is exhaled. Different animals have different breathing organs. Like insects exchange the gases through small openings on their body surface known as spiracles. Gill is a breathing organ found in almost all aquatic animals like fish, crab, tadpole, prawn, etc. Other animals like reptiles, birds, and mammals breathe through their lungs. Animals like frog and toad breathe through lungs on land and moist skin in water. I am repeating, frog and toad. They breathe through lungs on land and moist skin in water. Students, here is one important point for you to note that microscopic organisms use their body surface to breathe. Okay, so moving on the next topic, movement in animals. In the previous video, I have used one term, locomotion. Unlike plants, animals can move from place to place. This movement is known as locomotion. It not only helps them to obtain food and get shelter, but also helps to protect them from danger of predators or natural calamities. What are predators? Predators are those animals that kills and eat other animals. Different animals use different body parts to move. Insects can move in various ways. They can walk, jump, fly, hop, or crawl. Reptiles like lizard, snake, and crocodile use various forms of locomotion to move from place to place. Some of them have legs and some use their scaly skin to move by crawling. Birds can hop or walk on land, swim in water and fly in air. The forelimbs of a bird are modified in the form of wings that helps them to fly. Crow, sparrow, eagle, parrot, etc. are common birds that fly in the sky. Some birds like ostrich, emu, and kiwi are called flightless birds because they have very heavy bodies and weak wings, so they cannot fly. Terrestrial animals like lion, tiger, elephant, and many others have two pairs of limbs. Most animals use all the four limbs to walk, run, and for other movements. Other than this, aquatic animals like turtles use their limbs to swim. Frogs use their webbed feet to swim in water. Fish have fins to move in water. Next is migration. Migration is defined as the movement of an animal from one region to another. Animals migrate because the conditions in their habitat become adverse to support life. Either the weather becomes too cold or too hot, or the available food becomes scarce. Many times animals also migrate because of natural calamities like earthquakes, droughts, or floods. Usually, the word migration is more closely associated with the movement of birds. Birds migrate twice in a year, during spring and autumn. But only some birds migrate, not all. The birds that migrate are called migratory birds, while the ones that do not migrate are called resident birds. I hope you all understood this lesson. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.